Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot in iOS 26. To do it, all you need to do is press on two buttons at once, the power and volume up. To do it, once you do it, the power and volume up, you'll see this screen. Now, you can very easily crop the screenshot if you wish to. Although you can also leave it as it was earlier. Now you can edit it as well. To draw on it, for example, I'm gonna change the color of the tool to like red, for example. You can see the tool right here. I can also change its opacity and the thickness. And now I can mark something like, for example, the camera app. Now I can either share it automatically from here or click on approve here, and I can save it to photos, save it to files, save it to quick note, copy and delete, which means that the screenshot won't be saved anywhere, but it will be in my clipboard, so I can just paste it and forget about it, or delete screenshot straight away from here. So I'm just gonna save it to photos. Now let's also see another method of taking a screenshot. And this method will require you to go to the settings. So let's go there. Now just scroll down to accessibility. And now find the the AssistiveTouch, right? So the AssistiveTouch, I think, will be in the touch, right? AssistiveTouch now, and enable it. Now you'll have this menu that if you click on, you'll see some things. But if you just want to use it for screenshotting and nothing else, then you can customize it, remove all the icons, just leave one at first, then go to single tap, then set the single tap to screenshot, right? So I don't really know where the screenshot is here. Okay, I can find it now. And here is this little button. It's barely even visible, but of course you can change the idle opacity to something else, so it's more visible. It should be even more visible, honestly, but let's leave it like that for now. And once I click on the button, it takes a screenshot the same exact way, but instead uses a button on the screen that you can also hide by, I think, triple pressing on this button, on the power button. But in order to do it, you'll need to first enable that option to be able to simply do it with a triple click on the button. So I don't really know how to where I can do it. I'm gonna find it later. But also let's see the third method, which is back tap. And back tap lets you set it to either double or triple tap on the back of your screen. So I'm gonna set it to double tap the screenshot, right? And now as I double tap on the back of the device, it's better to do it near the top because there's a higher chance of it being recognized here near the top. You can see the screenshot is taken, and it also said that the back tap was detected. Now I'm gonna try to find the side button here, I think. No, I'm not really sure about that. I used to know where it is. I'm just gonna find it and get back to you. Okay, so it was just in accessibility. You can find accessibility shortcut. And now you can find the triple click the side button for, and just enable AssistiveTouch. Make sure it's ticked. And now once you triple click on the side button, I did a double click, let's try again, then it will hide this button. But I don't think it's as important if you already know two other methods by either pressing on two keys at once, power and volume up, or the double backed up if you enable that. And I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.